All right, today we're at the Tampa Amateur Radio Club. They're having a swap meet today. Those are the club antennas up there. Ham radio stuff. And there's the clubhouse right there. We'll take a little tour. All right. It's kind of scattered around the property here today. Some of the vendors always got food cooking here.
Good to see you. Chairman, definitely my
La antena es grande. Pero es the only directional, it's dipole. Sí. Sí, often it's dipole.
Well, slippery there.
¿Cuál pierna tú quieres morder?
Oye, hablando un poco, hay un gringo ahí que está buscando un guajiro. ¿Verdad que sí? De esta mañana.
And we got more vendors scattered all over the place here. Beautiful day here in Tampa. Gorgeous day. Perfect day for an event like this or any type of event. Going to get up to 85 today. Already run into a couple of old friends I haven't seen for 4 or 5 years.
I've tried going to see them multiple times.
We'll do that when we're in the direct.
But they're available on Amazon or unfortunately, all those good companies, Zenith, RCA,
vintage radios.
Philco, they're all gone.
Old
Dude,
stuff.
the military stuff that some of the companies had. That's why Philco,
Kevin and
or Ford wants Philco with the military. They didn't give a hoot about
The brother of the Zine, you know.
But the military contracts that they had, it's proprietary stuff is what they were.
I was just reading a book and they were talking about Megavox doing some work.
A lot of old vintage gear here today.
Unreasonable offers accepted. Seriously, we do not want to take this stuff home. I don't know. The guy that did my work used to do their work. Really?
Figure all this, they'd have a club member, young and stupid.
I'm open to reasonable offers on everything.
Okay, thank you very much.
Good price.
Yeah, a little bit of everything around here, I guess. Instruments of labor. Okay, so anyway, we paused there for a while, run into a buddy of ours from Hawaii who had one of the most powerful stations in Hawaii that I actually got to operate one time for about 4 hours. So we ran into him, and he lives back over here now. And we'll make one last trip over through here, which we haven't made it to yet. And we'll call this a day.
Well, I got the scanner hooked up to the.
You already got the
Thanks, sir.
exterior.
Thank you.
Yeah, I need to move it to the higher antenna.
I got one like this now, but
A lot of good old vintage stuff here.
There's Larry. He's wondering where lunch is. I'm ready to go anytime you want. Yeah, well, I'm ready to roll. Did you sell any of your single bands? No, I picked it up. So, Norm got 2 more boat engines. No. I just fixed them. Oh, so that's what he was saying. He's taking them home. But I don't, that's really. No, I don't want it.
I thought it was one of mine. I kept one for myself.
I have them at home set up in this house like nobody's business. I sold the other one to Plant City last year.
I like the cool stuff. I got
Yeah, I remember those.
All right, that's our video here at the Tampa Amateur Radio Club's swap meet.
Brand new, still in the box, still sealed up. And the other one I got.
They also have a wonderful field day here. So if any of you hams are in the area, this is the place to be. 73s, take care. Tampa Tropical Cowboy.